Are you looking for the best treadmills? In this video, we will look at some of the best treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NordicTrack Commercial Series Treadmill. When we started writing this buying guide, we knew the NordicTrack Commercial Series Treadmill would be our best choice product. Okay, it's not the cheapest treadmill on the market and it's going to take up a lot of space, but don't let that put you off. If you can afford it, this is the only treadmill you'll ever need. There are 3 models, 1750, 2450, and 2950, which all have the same basic technology but have slightly upgraded features the more expensive you go. We'll cover the stats of the NordicTrack 2450. It has a 3.75 chp Durex Commercial Plus motor that operates quietly and cools itself while it's running. The running surface is extra wide, 22 inches, to accommodate different running styles, and you can fold up this part of the treadmill to save space. Plus, it has a top speed of 12 miles per hour and uses automatic incline matching technology that adjusts the gradient in between 3% and 15%. Number 2. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. If you don't have a lot of space, the dream of having a home gym can seem pretty far-fetched. There are no two ways about it. Even folding treadmills are too big for most homes. Fortunately, the Goplus folding treadmill offers a solution. It works in 2 ways. You can use it as a traditional treadmill, with a handrail to hold onto. When it's in this position, it can achieve a maximum speed of 7.5 miles per hour, jogging pace, so it's not as fast as a full-size treadmill, but you can still work up a sweat. Alternatively, you can fold down the rise and save even more space. In this position, it only has a maximum speed of 2.5 miles per hour, walking pace. Some customers have placed it underneath a standing desk and used it to exercise while they're working. It's also got space to hold your smartphone, a built-in Bluetooth speaker, and a small LED screen that provides workout metrics. If you need to save space, the Goplus folding treadmill is the way to do it. Number 3. Merax Electric Folding Treadmill. The Merax Electric Folding Treadmill is one of the cheapest treadmills on this list. It's not as high-tech as the products from NordicTrack or Nautilus, but it still deserves a place on this list. The first thing to mention is the relatively small running surface, which measures just 15 inches by 43 inches. This is adequate space for a small runner, but it's not suitable if you have a long stride or wide running stance. One thing we do like about the running surface is the turf-like texture they've used. You definitely won't slip. We were impressed by the control panel. It's simple compared to high-end treadmills, but it's very easy to use. You can easily select different running modes, use voice activation, control your speed, and even play music through the USB speakers. We also like the fact that it's foldable. It's not quite as space-saving as the Goplus folding treadmill, but the small running surface makes it one of the smallest treadmills on this list. Number 4. Sunny Health Fitness SF T7515 Smart Treadmill. If you don't feel like you need smart connectivity in your treadmill, you can save a lot of money. The Sunny Health Fitness SF T7515 is what we'd call an old-school treadmill. It has the ability to connect to Bluetooth, so you can play music through the speakers, but that's where the modern tech ends. There are a couple of things you should know before you consider buying this treadmill. First, it has a relatively small running surface that measures 49.5 inches by 16.5 inches. This should be big enough to accommodate most runners, but if you're a larger person, you should definitely try it out before you buy. The second drawback is the max speed of 8 miles per hour. That's about the average jogging pace. So, if you're an experienced runner, you might find it's not fast enough for you. On the plus side, the control panel is super easy to understand. And it has a pulse grip, which gives you a rough idea of your heart rate and body mass index. For some full-body workout machines, check out our guide to the best dip stands. Number 5. Schwinn 810 Treadmill. When it comes to a product like a treadmill, there are so many different options to choose from, and each one has a different price. We're always looking for products that offer both amazing features and an amazing price. The Schwinn 810 treadmill is just that. At $699 at the time of writing, it's one of the cheaper treadmills on this list, but you'd never guess that when you read the spec sheet. Plus, it's made by Schwinn, one of the world's oldest and best-loved bicycle companies, so you know it's going to be a solid product. This foldable treadmill has a 20-inch by 55-inch running belt that has a technology called SoftTrack deck cushioning to add some spring to each step. It has an impressive backlit LCD display that has a total of 16 workout programs and up to 2 user profiles. Plus, it can be connected to the Explore the World app, which allows you to take part in virtual races around the world. This might not be the most stacked treadmill in terms of features, but it's an amazing workout tool for the price.